Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Grammar Made Simple with me, Cassie. Today, we'll be exploring some common grammar mistakes: loose versus lose, loss versus lost. Hey, let's make it simple. First, we'll start off with loose versus lose. Do you know the difference? Loose, Loose. Loose means not tight. Something becomes slack. Examples: my pants are loose. My shoelaces are loose. Loose, it's not tight, it's slack. Here's an easy trick. Loose has two O's, Loose. Here's what to think about: extra room, not tight. Foot loose, cut loose, loose. Next, we have lose. People often confuse lose with loose. But the thing about lose, it means to no longer have something. Examples: don't lose your keys. We might lose the game. Here's another easy trick. Lose as one O. So compared to loose, which has two, lose as one. And then again, think about something that's gone. You no longer have it. Quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A, I don't want to lose my wallet. B, I don't want to lose my wallet. Leave your answers in the comments. Is it A or B? Which sentence is correct? Let's review. Loose, Loose. Something is not tight, becoming slack. Something is slack. Lose, Lose. You misplace or no longer have something. Next, let's look at loss versus lost. Now, do you know the difference with those two? First, let's start with loss, Loss. Loss is described as a noun. It means the act of losing something or even someone. Example: I am sorry for your loss. The company reported a financial loss. Now, we're going to go on to lost, Lost. Many people confuse loss, Loss, with Lost, lost, wherein they use them in the wrong context. Lost is the past tense of lose. It is a verb, an action word. Example: I lost my keys. She lost her phone. Lost, Lost. Here's an easy trick to remember both lost and loss. Yesterday, you lost it, Lost. The result of such lost is a loss, Loss. Capiche? I hope you understand. Now, here's a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A, I lost my wallet yesterday. Or B, I lost my wallet yesterday? Leave your answers in the comments. Another one. A, the company reported a loss. B, the company reported a loss. What do you think? Quick review. Lost equal the past tense of lose, while loss is the noun that describes the act of losing someone or something. Now, let's wrap it up with a summary. First, we have loose, L-O-O-S-E. And just a reminder, loose means that something is not tight. It has become slack. Next, we have lose, L-O-S-E. It's a verb, and it means to no longer have something. Loss, L-O-S-S, it's a noun, and it's the act of losing. And finally, we have lost, L-O-S-T. It's the past tense of lose, and it's a verb, an action word. Remember, context tells you which one to use. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me for this mini grammar lesson. Be sure to follow for more as we navigate Grammars Made Simple with Cassie. Goodbye.